welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be vlogging and taking you guys along with as I just kind of like get my life together, get back into routine. I recently had COVID and I've been sick, so I feel like I'm just now kind of like getting back into routine from being sick. I just thought I would take you guys along with today as I just kind of like get my life back together. Like, it seemed like everybody was sick, everybody kind of had it at the same time. You guys are kind of in the same situation, like maybe this will be helpful or motivating. I'm also gonna be showing you guys some healthy habits that I've kind of been doing in the new year and kind of like implementing. So also, I've been loving hot coffee in the morning. I've been making like hot lattes with my Nespresso. Definitely comment below some healthy habits that you guys like to do or that you guys have kind of implemented for the new year. Also, thumbs up this video if you like vlogs. I'm trying to like plan out content and stuff, and I'm not sure if I should do more vlogs or not, so definitely thumbs up if you like vlogs. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. I'm just gonna do a little bit of cleaning. I'm gonna set a timer for like 10 minutes. Nothing makes me feel like my life is put together like cleaning. Actually have a couple packages that I want to unbox. So the first one is from Warby Parker. I literally love their glasses, and actually I'm partnering with them on this video, so thank you so much to Warby Parker for sponsoring. I'm so excited to be partnering with them. I got my first pair of glasses ever from Warby Parker, and I've continued to purchase their glasses throughout the years. I literally love their frames. They are so cute and stylish and affordable, and I'm just obsessed with them. I'm gonna be trying out a few new frames and seeing what they look like. If you guys haven't heard of their free home try-on program, it is the best thing ever, especially right now if you're not wanting to like shop in store. I've done this before, like last year when my prescription changed and I needed some more glasses. Basically, you can go online, you can take a quiz, which kind of helps if you're not sure like what frames to order. You can order 5 pairs of glasses to try at home for free, and you can try them for 5 days. There's literally no obligation to buy them. It ships free, and there's also a prepaid return shipping label. You can literally shop for glasses and try them on at home. One of the reasons I love Warby Parker so much is that their glasses are so cute. Like, they just have very stylish frames. Warby Parker provides exceptional vision care online and in stores. They have glasses, sunglasses, and contact lenses. They also offer eye exams. Their glasses start at $95, including prescription lenses. Try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/EmilyGrace. Once again, that is warbyparker.com/EmilyGrace. I'm gonna have that link below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link. Let's see the glasses I got. I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. I ordered some really cute frames. I'm gonna do like a little try on of all the frames I ordered. These are the first ones. They kind of like fade into lighter color on the bottom, which I think is super cute. These are a little bit of a different shape than some of my other glasses. I usually go for more of like a round shape. These are a little bit more like a cat eye almost. My mom really loves these as well. And all of Warby Parker's glasses are just really good quality. I have had some of my glasses for quite a few years, like change the lenses in the prescription when your prescription updates. Next up, I have the Percy frame, which I actually already have these in a different color, so I thought I would try them in this darker like tortoise color. They look like this. You guys have probably seen me wear the other ones in several different vlogs. I love the shape of these. I think they're really flattering. This is kind of like my go-to color and shape for glasses. I literally love these. This is like a little bit of a different shape for me. I usually go for the round shape that I just tried on. I really like this one as well. I think this is super cute. Also just really good for like every day. And they're definitely different from any other frame that I have. I think that these are a little bit like thinner, and they have a smaller kind of like whatever this is called. It's a little bit thinner. I think my friend actually has these, and I've complimented them before. I think these are really cute. I don't have any clear glasses, and I really love this shape. It's kind of an in-between of like the round and the square ones that I tried on. I feel like the clear ones are really fun. I really like these. I think these are super cute as well. I already know that my dad would love them. That is actually all of the eyeglasses, but I did order 1 pair of sunglasses because if you guys watch my vlogs, I always wear the same pair of prescription sunglasses, so I thought I would check out like a new frame. I definitely have to wear prescriptions when driving, and a lot of times the sun is really bright, so I feel like prescription sunglasses are a must. I think these just look really sleek, so I'm very excited to try them on. These are so cute. I actually have a hard time finding cute prescription sunglasses that I like because I'm very picky with sunglasses. I'm obsessed. 10 out of 10. I love that they're such a good price because I can buy multiple frames. It's gonna be really hard picking a favorite. So definitely let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. If you guys are needing some new eyeglasses or sunglasses and you want to try out some new frames, definitely make sure to check out Warby Parker. You can try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/EmilyGrace. Once again, that is warbyparker.com/EmilyGrace. I'm gonna have that link below at the very top of my description, so you can just click that link and shop. You can just try on glasses at home. Like, literally so easy, so convenient. Thank you so much to Warby Parker for sponsoring this video. Literally love Warby Parker. They are like my favorite, so very excited to be working with them. I was gonna get sushi for lunch because I've been craving it. Just realized they close like super soon because they close like halfway through the day and then like reopen for dinner. I need to like head there now in order to like get there in time. I'm gonna have to like resume the unboxing once I get home, but I do have some packages on the way, so I might have a few more packages once I get back. So I think I'm just going to get some sushi for lunch, treat myself, because I haven't really been able to like go anywhere or eat any food out or anything like that. Here's my outfit. So I just have this jacket from Princess Polly, this little zip up from Brandy Melville that I got a really long time ago actually, and then this mock neck which is also from Brandy Melville, these wide leg jeans from Zara, my New Balance 452. This probably is not the warmest outfit. It's literally like in the single digits in Fahrenheit today. It's not like I'm literally gonna be outside. I'm just gonna walk in from the parking lot. We're just gonna make it work because I really want to wear this. Could I do a California roll and a spider roll? No, I'm basic ordering a California roll. My sister roasts me, but I just really I feel like it's really fresh, you know, with the avocado. I'm gonna go and pick that up. And then I also need to wash my car. My car is so dirty. Like, it is literally so bad. Just getting my life together. Also just kind of taking a day to kind of like relax, you know? I'm trying to like look at my computer screen as little as possible today. Got my sushi. It smells so good. I wish I would have got like not waited till right before they closed, so I could have just sat in there. Like normally I would never just sit in a restaurant by myself and eat, but for that to eating in my car. Look how good that looks. This was a good move. The California roll is so good. Even if people say it's basic, I was reaching to grab my camera because I didn't want to vlog anymore while I was eating, and I was gonna put like a show on or something while I eat the rest of this. Dropped my chopsticks on the floor and now there's like trash on them, and they're still technically open, so maybe I should just go in there and ask if I could get another pair of chopsticks. I don't have any other eating utensil in here other than some straws. That was embarrassing, but I got new chopsticks, so I'm gonna finish my lunch. I'm just having a self-care day, you know, trying to feel better after being sick. I'm listening to some One Direction. I just can't even describe. It takes me back in time to a really good time. It just makes me so happy. In the spirit of self-care and feeling better and getting my life together, I got an iced latte. I just got an iced vanilla latte with cinnamon powder. I'm back home. I do have a few packages that I just wanted to open from Abercrombie. I actually had $40 in rewards that were gonna expire. I'm gonna be doing a winter clothing haul soon with some stuff from like Zara and some other clothing stores. So anyways, I ordered these jeans. I literally love these jeans. If you have not tried out these jeans, you definitely need to order them. I'll link them below. The 90s Ultra High Rise Straight. I ordered some of these last year and I literally wore them every single day last year in the fall and winter, and I've been loving them again this year. Specifically, I've been loving this light wash. I feel like I literally wear them so much. Think of all the jeans I have literally ever purchased. The softest, most comfortable material. And then I also ordered another thing from Abercrombie. I have been eyeing this coat for a while and I keep thinking about it, and then I'm like, oh, I should order it, and then I just know it's gonna go out of stock and then I'm gonna regret not ordering it. It was on sale. I just think this is so cute. Puffer coats and faux leather jackets are like my two favorites, and this is both. Like, it's a puffer coat and it's faux leather. It's like my two favorite things in one, so I thought I would check it out. Like, just could not resist, and it's so soft. Like, I actually saw it in store one time, and it is truly the softest material. I think I ordered this in a small because it's already oversized. I actually kind of have mixed feelings about it. Like, it's kind of like what I was wearing earlier, but just like way thicker and warmer. I like the quilted texture. Definitely comment below and let me know what you guys think. I'm just not sure. I feel like I would wear it a lot. I'm very bad at making decisions. I think I'm just going to end this vlog being productive and getting my life together. Although today has been great, I haven't really been super productive, which is fine. It's good to have days like that. I feel a little bit disorganized, so I kind of want to take some time to just be productive and kind of like clean a little bit. I really just want to declutter my closet. Honestly, I know I just posted a closet clean out. I'll link it here if you guys want to check it out. Somehow my closet has already gotten really messy and really full again. I think I'm actually gonna start with my little clothing rack there and see if I can find anything to get rid of. I also need to water my plants because I don't remember the last time I did that. I think I'm gonna set a timer for 30 minutes, maybe 25, and I'm gonna try to organize my closet in that amount of time. Through my closet. This is all I had time for. Like, my 25-minute timer went off, and that is all the time I'm dedicating to cleaning out my closet today. But I did find quite a few things to get rid of, kind of like some random stuff, so I might go through it again another day. Cleared a little bit of closet space. I'm just gonna check on all of my plants. Plants are all taken care of. That is quite the chore, let me just say. They're all kind of like on different watering schedules. Like, this one didn't need to be watered. A couple of them didn't need to be watered, but right now they're all pretty dry because it's been a while since I've checked them. I watered a couple of my big ones as well. I might wash my makeup brushes because it's been a while, and I hate using dirty makeup brushes. I try to do that once a week. It is a little bit later. I'm really feeling like my life is together after, you know, doing a little bit of decluttering and organizing, watering my plants, washing my makeup brushes. So those are all things that I've been like meaning to do, and now I just feel so much better. Today's been like a really nice day, and I'm really glad I vlogged and took you guys along with. Really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. I'm probably just gonna end it here. Not really gonna be doing much. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Definitely give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment below a healthy habit that you've started to do. If you stayed until this point in the video, comment the sushi emoji. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Warby Parker for sponsoring this video. Literally one of my favorite brands. Try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free. That is warbyparker.com/emilygrace, and I'm gonna have that linked below as well. Also, let me know which of the glasses were your favorite, because now that I've tried them on, I'm gonna actually order them. That is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple days for my next video. Bye.